Okay, now we will finish here doing a tutorial over the pluginlib. If you want to use pluginlib to create new plugins over Gazebo or any other package that will be used by ROS, then you can create it. So for now, we'll be creating a package, a base class. In this case, we'll be doing an example of just understanding. We will calculate the area of the polygon. So first, we will need to create a raster package of build type, a and the license will be Apache 2.0. The dependencies will be pluginlib, and the node name probably will be area node and polygon base. So we'll try to, okay, in that case it's okay, the size. Let's run over here to see more area. Okay. Okay. Next thing is the created or package. You will try to create the abstract class of the polygon base package. And here we'll be touching or creating a new file, sudo nano regular polygon hpp. And here we will be creating the abstract class. Yeah, an abstract class is a class that we can override functions. For this in example, it has an initialize function, an area function, and the structure of the regular polygon, and obviously the variable is the class that is protected. Okay, save this. And the next thing is to make it available to the other package. So we will be installing it over the destination folder include. So we can go here, sudo nano and cmake list. And for after here, you can put to install the directory include over the installation over include and close brackets here. We'll be continuing to modify it, and let's try to communicate to ROS that this is a directory over the package. Amend export include directories include, and that's all. Now that we have our base class and everything is okay, we will be using a representation of this base class to create the other ones. So let's create another package. Sorry, here not. Here. Build type amend cmake The license will be Apache 2.0, and the dependencies will be Polygon base and pluginlib. And also we need to specify the library name. Polygon plugins and Polygon plugins. Okay, here we have our class that will be ready to use. Let's move then to the Polygon plugins folder. Cover the source, and let's see. Okay, there's a Polygon plugins. Let's see what's inside. Here we're not using this. We'll be using this part of the code. So here we have a polygon base, we have CMAT, we specify two classes, one for the square and the other one for the triangle. Note that we are overriding the initialize and array functions, but here we have some things that could not be initialized at all. For example, the height, of the triangle, and so on. So here is your declaration. Obviously, you have to list the macrofile here, and also you have to notify that you're using the, let's say, the child class square over the main class regular Python, and also the same thing for the triangle. Now let's save it. Okay. The next thing is that we need to declare the plugin. So we will do it in this practically in the same way that we did on ROS. So you will go to the Polygon plugins, the main folder here. Let's see. Okay, Touch, plugins, XML. And sudo nano plugins.ml. Here we will make the notification over ROS environment that we will be using plugins. So there is a path that is called Polygon plugins, and also there is a class type that is about Polygon plugins using the square method. Sorry, the square class. And our base class is the first class over the regular polygon that is the abstract class. Sorry. And we'll repeat the same thing over the triangle here and the regular polygon system, and we can save it because it's well documented. The next thing is we need to open the plugin, the CMake list over the ROS interface and this package to add the export of the plugin using the plugin docs.xml. So we will do is go to the CMake, and here we will be adding other line after the find required package. So we will be adding a line here, and we will put this plugin lib export plugin description file using the polygon base over plugins. Pluginlib, export plugin description. Okay. Now let's move to the polygon base. And here we can use the pipelines to specify the area node over the polygon base. Okay. We'll be launching this over here. So one thing to know is that we're using the plugin libs, that's all noun, the class loader, and this one is the regular polygon based on the previous tasks. So here you see you have the class loader. It's based on regular polygon. It has the polygon base and regular polygon instructions. The next thing is to keep clean over it and use there's only, or sorry, there are several ways to instantiate it. We use it the same as is in the ROS documentation. This is pretty simple to follow. You have to create a shared pointer that will be over the regular polygon, and also the same thing that is for triangle, but for square. And in the end, you create the instance using the polygon plugins triangle and the polygon plugins square. Finally, you print the area of one and the area of another, and so on. Let's try to see if it works. Now let's build the application to see if everything is okay. Okay, let's see how it's going. We'll be only compiling the polygon base and the polygon base plugins. Okay, it passed. Let's see if we can install or source everything. And finally, try to run the ROS2 node. ROS2, run, polygon base. Here we run the area node. And as you see here, we get an area triangle of 43.3 and the square triangle of 10 because we specified side of 10. So this is everything about polygons. It's a little bit complicated at the beginning, but if you keep going and try to see polygons, sorry, I'm very tired. If you try to see plugins over ROS, you will get a quick quick and you can get it quickly to the solution when you experiment everything. So that concludes the beginner client libraries. We'll go on the intermediate part, looking over the concepts of servers and so on. We are keeping it over the basis here, but Now it continues to get interesting because we are going to action servers, we're looking for launch files, the TF2, the testing, and finally the URDF. So that's all. I hope you like it. Thank you.